Did you know that soap-free cleaners offer the safest, healthiest, yet most effective way to clean your home or business? Soap-free Procyon offers a safe, effective, and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional cleaning products. For nearly 4 decades, soap-free Procyon has provided an all-natural, hypoallergenic, odor-free, non-toxic cleaner for carpets, upholstery, tile and grout, as well as spots and stains. Our Green Seal certified products include the Spot and Stain Remover, which leaves carpet and upholstery softer and brighter. Our popular Extreme Pre-Spray Cleaner that features an odor-free, non-toxic concentrate that will greatly reduce rapid resoiling so carpets stay cleaner longer. Soap-free Procyon's multi-purpose cleaner and degreaser, which is a concentrate that has unlimited versatility and power to perform on grease, smoke-damaged walls, AC coils, ceilings, vents, air ducts, and more. Our best-selling carpet and upholstery cleaner, which is another concentrate designed for portable extractors with high heat to break down soapy, sticky residues left behind from previous cleaners. The very effective tile and grout cleaner, which is a concentrate that packs enough power to strip wax. And finally, our Plus Powder, which is the best solution for high-traffic areas with grease and oils embedded into the carpet. Soap-free Procyon's natural ingredients are tough on stains and dirt, but won't harm your carpets, upholstery, tile, or grout. All our products have powerful degreasing properties while leaving no residues, using no harsh chemicals or perfumes, and it's odor-free. In a world where most cleaners are filled with harsh chemicals, we knew there had to be a better way. We set out to create a cleaner that was not only better for the environment, but also better for your health. Get cleaner, healthier carpets, upholstery, tile, grout, and surfaces. Try soap-free Procyon today at soapfreeprocyon.com.